Guess who's coming back? Hi guys, it's me, Mrs. D from Mrs. D's Baking TV. I know, you're wondering, Mrs. D, where have you been? Guys, I've been doing some things. As a matter of fact, you know what? After this little introduction, stay tuned and I will show you some pictures of some of the things that I've been up to. Yes, those are biscuit nosy. Yes, those are biscuits in the background. I had company over this morning and we had biscuits. So follow along, watch this little montage of what I've been up to. And what I want you to do is turn on your notification. Just hit that little bell, turn on your notification so that you are notified when I upload my new baking video. So I'm so glad that I'm coming back. I'll tell you how I was encouraged to come back. But enjoy this little montage, and yeah, I'm coming back. So thank you guys for tuning in to my little montage of pictures of showing you what I've been up to lately. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do cookies, cakes. I don't know. I'm gonna do something very interesting. Don't be alarmed with the whole egg shortage thing. God provides. We have all the eggs that we need over here, okay? So stay tuned for Mrs. D's Baking TV and what's coming up next. Bye.